As you guys can see right there, we got some nice chunks of my bearing.
One hit and took out the motor, which sucks too because I spent this entire week getting this car back together and went to repeat that process again, but now I do not have a spare motor. Now from a visual inspection, these heads look perfect, which is a good sign, but let's go ahead, get all of this disassembled and then brought over to our local machine shop. Cylinder 2, our piston is fried. No way. We have a motor installed in my STI. Wow. I guess I really only need to put like 5 gallons in right now. Just for it to start? Yeah. little baby hit, 550 wheel revving out to 7,500 RPM. Barely anything. So far, so good. Damn, this thing sounds insane under load. Holy shit! I think you hit the wrong button. 1123. Holy. Thank you. Woo! That bitch works, baby. Go, baby! Dev and I are gonna be lying. Did I get right lane? Dev and I are about to line up. But we make basically the same power. The cars weighs the same. I mean, it'll just be fun, a friendly little competition. What's up, everybody? My name is Remmy Evans, and welcome to the channel. Bring you guys on a journey of building my hopefully over 1,000 wheel horsepower bagged STI.